Hello guys, this is once again Pachutoring and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I just want to talk about something briefly about the PowerPoint, the terminology used in PowerPoint, how you're going to use the terminology. I just want guys to get acquainted with this. So I want to go to my PowerPoint. PowerPoint, see here. Just come and double click here. So it's coming. So I come to blank presentation. Double click, it's loading. So blank presentation, I have so very many things here. So the terminologies are here, like this one, insert. You will find them in home, insert, draw, design, transition, animations, slideshow, record, review, new, add in, help. So I just start with the first thing is adding, how to add new slide. Like for this, I go to new slide. If I want to add new slide, I come here, I'm added new slide. Right, see, I am adding new slide. Yes, adding new slide is simple. Just come and tap, tap, just like that. See, even here, new slide. So the second one, I just go to design. The way I want the page to be, the color, I want to design it like for this one here. Come and press, put this one like for this, come and press. You see all these one, they have the same design. This one I've selected design for the design here. So we have very many design here. You want just even to change it, just come here, come and put paste. I think you have seen all of these pages have changed. So I go to transition. So in transition we have very many transition is just the way you have your thing. Now you want it to move from one page to another. How will appear? Is it going to be attractive, so nice, so that it attract your customer for us? Like you are just showing your things, so just to be in a good way so that someone can like this one. Let me see this, put here this this that is all. You just put and click, you press there. That one is it. Then let me go to slideshow. So this is it. how you will see now that how the transition will move. The slideshow, how will move from one page to another, from the beginning of the page. I think you're seeing. You're seeing how the thing is moving. I think you have seen. Because for me, I was not having anything like the title or clicking. So the slide will move in such a way that it can attract someone, attract the customer, so that you also have some good interest of seeing your things. So guys, you watch my YouTube channel, you watch my videos, subscribe, like and you comment also at the same time. So I just want to stop there for this PowerPoint.